Hello guys, in this video we are going to look at the idea of electromagnets. Electromagnets is a magnet that is produced by electric current. The strength of the electromagnet can be varied by changing the magnitude of the current. The polarities, which refers to the north and south pole of a magnet, is dependent on the direction of the current flow. In this video, the subject of the study is a coil of wire. We are going to see how a normal coil of wire is turned into a magnet. And then we are going to look at the interaction of the coil with a permanent magnet. Finally, towards the end of the video, we are going to look at one application of electromagnets. We are going to show to you the basic construction of a speaker. Here is a permanent magnet. When you bring the magnet close to a paper clip, the clips start attracted to the magnets. The same effect can be seen when you have current passing through the coil. The clip will be attracted towards the coil. The attraction is not very strong, so we increase the voltage, so the current will be bigger, and then the interaction can be seen more clearly. The clip is attracted towards the coil. To further increase the strength of the electromagnet, we insert a metal screw inside of the coil. You will see more of the clips will be attracted towards the electromagnet. When we switch off the power supply, all the paper clips start to fall back down to the table, and the electromagnets can no longer attract the paper clip. When we switch on the power supply again, the current will be present inside of the coil, and you will see the clips is attracted towards the electromagnet. Now we are going to see the interaction of the coil and the permanent magnet. In the absence of current, the coil does not even interact with the magnetic field. Even we switch the polarity of the magnet, nothing happens between the two. Now we switch on the power supply so that current is present inside of the coil. As we bring the magnet close to the coil, we see the coil attracted towards the permanent magnet. We reverse the polarity of the permanent magnet and bring it close to the coil. We can see that the coil is pushed away by the permanent magnet. Instead of using power supply as a source of current, we are going to connect the coil to the electrical audio output signal of the mobile phones. An audio output from the mobile phone is a small current, so we connect the audio output to an amplifier to amplify the current, and then connect the amplifier output to the coil. Now we have current flowing inside of the coil, and we are using a thin aluminum container as our speaker. We attach the permanent magnets onto the body of the container. The reason why we can hear sound is because the aluminum container is vibrating. This is due to the non-uniform interaction between the coil and the permanent magnet. The audio output from the phone produces a different magnitude of current at different times. So the strength of the interaction between the coil and the permanent magnet also changes with time. This interaction will be transferred to the aluminum container as vibration. We hope you learned something new from the video, and happy learning!